With the country opening back up after the lockdown due to the pandemic, the food service and production industries need to think about their disinfection plan and how to keep their workers safe. While the CDC recommends a social distance of at least 6 feet apart, that is not always possible on an assembly line or in a food production atmosphere. Larson Electronics has the perfect solution to help you keep your workers safe and healthy. Allowing employees to work adequately on the assembly line or in a close quarters food production environment with appropriate barriers and UV disinfection can help limit the potential liability that comes with workers infected by disease. Larson Electronics carries a selection of durable stainless steel dividers that come as standalone units, in addition to units equipped with UV air disinfection technology. This UV technology kills up to 99.9% of bacteria and viruses, which can help keep your workers from getting sick. The UV disinfection barriers harness the power of UV light by pulling in the air around the employee from above and around the sides, and disinfects the air with UV light. By disinfecting the air around the employee, their exposure to the UV light is reduced and provides a safer work environment. All our products are in stock and ready to ship immediately. Check out our complete selection of UV sanitation and disinfection products at Larson Electronics today. At Larson Electronics, we do more than meet your lighting needs. Contact us today.